You know, I mean, I am a Trinidad born, and I grew up in Trinidad. And I'm saying this because this is what I never realized when I was living in Trinidad. You see, when I was living in Trinidad, I was part of the same lifestyle. So I never really realized the importance of letting my neighbors know how important Islam is, the Islamic lifestyle, the teachings of the Quran, the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Because I was part of that, you were all caught up into the regular Muslim, you know, when I started getting involved in Islam, the regular Muslim activities, more like a culture, not a lifestyle that I needed to share with my neighbor, or my non-Muslim friends, or my non-Muslim co-workers, or my non-Muslim relatives. You know, people just go their way because they're so very busy. And you being a Trinidadian who accepted Islam, this is phenomenal. I really enjoy talking to you because I think you are a person that will create a great impact for the Muslims in Trinidad, non-Muslims, revert Muslims, and regular born Muslims in Trinidad, so people can kind of be aware and get awake.
Yes, I hope I can, inshallah. I hope I can.